Hi, we're going to go over how to add an image and make sure it looks all nice for different devices. So we are working in Revolution Slider. What you do if you want to change out the image, this is the image we want to change out. You hit delete. You go up here to add layers. You hit image. Oops, I hit button. I don't want to add a button. No. Go here, hit image, and an image will show up. Here's the image. Okay, so drag it to wherever you want it, or click on it, and the image upload library will pop up. You got to double click it, and you put your image in, just like you would any other page. Insert. And oh, look what happens here. Okay, you can make it bigger, smaller by yanking on it like that and repositioning it. So this image is, I'm actually like editing in cell phone mode right now. So for funsies, let's finish this up. So I want it to be like that close to this button, but see how this image is a little large, like the screen comes out. It's actually going over this button. So on the front end, you won't be able to click the button because the image will be in the way. So what you need to make sure happens with this image is you need to make sure that the image is under this layer is under all the buttons. So now we can click on them on the front end. Okay, and so this is actually cell phone mode, and you can see what screen you're working in right here. You have a little drop down. Let's look at what it looks like in desktop. So we click that, and it looks all funky. So we are going to pull it to the center. Oh my gosh, and I have a layer that I accidentally added, so let's delete that. Just delete it. And we are working here. And now we want to resize it. You click on it, and it resizes and keeps the dimensions because it's just great. Great stuff. Revolution Slider doesn't distort it or anything. And again, make sure your image is underneath all those buttons. And since this is set up as a global layer, this is awesome. You don't have to fix this every slide. It's just ready for every slide that goes in. And okay, so it looks good for desktop. And you click on notebook, and then you have to start over. Okay, I think that's cool. Yeah. And then we go to tablet. And oh no, that's way not good. Okay. And right there. And everything's good. So that's how you update text images on Revolution Slider. Just hit add layer image. You got all kinds of other things you can add here, and just make sure that it is not covering up any buttons. And whenever you're done and you like what you did, you hit save. Save is on here somewhere. Let me find it. Okay, save right here. You hit save, and then it's saved, and you go look at it on the front end. And here's the front end. And it looks pretty. Buttons work. Then we want to see what it looks like in other screen sizes, so we just make it smaller, and it looks good. It looks great. Everything works. And that was a long video. And there you have it. Updating. Oh, that's kind of like sketchy. It's not really centered, but we'll go back and center it. But that is that's how you get an image into Revolution Slider. Thanks for watching.